weekly vlog. If you're interested in seeing what we get up to in this vlog, please keep on watching. Hi friends, welcome back to another weekly vlog. So today is bank holiday. It is about like 27 degrees today. I just finished making up my bed. I changed the sheets and everything. I put some Febreze and so forth on the bed. Why am I out of breath? Anyways, so we're going out the house today. I decided that we might go bowling and just do a bit of walk around. Nothing planned today, nothing spontaneous today, but we're gonna try and do something on the bank holiday, and it's hot. We can't see. So this is what I have planned out to wear today. I wore it one time on a date night with my husband. Most of my stuff I have so far is like a one-day wear. So I think I was paired with this bag that I bought from Primark to go with this, and then I could wear my Timberland sandals with it. But I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on because it's my dress and me pay for it, me buy them. So yeah, nobody come for me. Most of my stuff I wear them one time, so I'm gonna see how this one looks today. I have this top. I bought two. It was 2 for 14 from New Look. So I'm gonna see how this look with one of my jeans I bought from Debenhams. You guys probably see that vlog already. If you haven't, go check it out. So I'm gonna pair it and see how both of them look. If I don't like them, then I probably might change it. And as I mentioned, it's hot today, and sunscreen is a must today. Is a must. So yeah, let's get dressed and see how these look. Okay, so I have this jeans with the turn-up foot, and I have this one. It's more lighter denim to go with this. So I'm not sure which one yet. I think I'm gonna pair it with this. Goes well with this because the threading is brown. Well, same with this one as well, but I'm gonna try them and see how I look and which one I like. But I am going with this because it's so sunny today and I want to look very summery. I don't know if that's the word, but we're gonna see how it look. And yeah, excuse the dots on the mirror. The mirror I want to clean, so this is what I went with. I decided to go with the dress and the shoes. You can see them. These sandals is one from Fashion Nova, and yeah, this is look. My hair is let go. Forget what I got the thing. So yeah, this is the look. I don't like let go my hair because how it gets so thin. Anyways, I have a surprise for you guys because I'm gonna do something with my hair. But this is the final look. My lip combo is number 7. The name wash off. All I know is number 7 and NK lip gloss. So that's my lip combo. So this is the final fit. I'm surprised that the dress still fit, but after this wear, I think I have to do another donation vlog. So and this is the bag with the fit. The bag match. Always the bag needs to match your shoes. Yeah. And I got this little key ring from Home Bargains. So yeah, I don't look cute, it looks childish, but then I like it. It looks cute. So that's what we're rocking with. So that's the fit. So let's go. Let's go out the house. know. Sweet. Guys, we are here. Finally reached at the bowling. I'm so thirsty. Let me show you where we are. Here's where we're going. Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. Okay. Let's go, people. Let's go. It is a hot. You see me? I am sweating. Sweating, I telling you. Ooh, let me fix myself. Let me fix myself. Okay guys, let's go to the bowling alley. Let's go have some fun and enjoy this weather. Okay. Wow. I'm not even sure if I have any I actually do have lip gloss. Okay guys, let's go. Try get him. Try hit them. Yeah, go ahead. What? No, Mike, that has to be yours. Any ball, you can use any ball. my god. And she went there closer and I come back and I beat you. But it was good. It was really, really good. So we're going to talk now. We're tired now from that little thing there.
Yeah. That was Sophia and Kiri.
What is that?
It's this thing that her mum took us to. So there's a time. It was fun.
Oh, okay. Sunshine. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, the place empty, so I wonder if everybody going up on the beach. Why not? Okay, we're in Southampton now. We're in West Key. Well, we're right in Southampton. What am I saying? We're at West Key Shopping Mall Center. And then it's pretty empty on a bank holiday. I'm thinking everybody gone either on the beach or they're probably at a pub. But yeah, it's really good though. We're going into Build-A-Bear. Build-A-Bear. It's getting better, people. Feel a bit more confidence filming. It's getting better. Say hi. This is my first time in Lush. It doesn't look too bad. So that one. That's the one she have in her room? That's the one she put in her room? What's this one for?
It's a body spray. This is vanilla.
What you got?
Same like coconut shy as well. That's lovely.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thank you guys for hanging with us until the next weekly vlog, and you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, yeah, and all those good stuff. I just want to end off the vlog here, so thanks again for hanging with me and my twin. Yeah, so later.